Hello, welcome to this video on Microsoft Teams. In this video I'm going to show you one of the new features in the latest version of Teams, and that is the Meet Now button, which now has additional sharing capability within it. So I've got my calendar up here. I'm going to go up to the Meet Now button and I'm going to create a meeting. Now before the feature update, we just had Meet Now. It would open up and we could then invite people. But now we have the option to rename our meeting, for example, and I can get a link to share or I can start. So I'm going to share this meeting. It generates a link for me and copies it to the clipboard by default. I can share it via email or paste it into my Teams or paste it into Slack or whatever you're using. But for now I'm going to start meeting, leave myself on mute. And once again, I have the option to copy my meeting link, which is very convenient, add participants from the participants list, or share via my default email application. So I'm going to copy the meeting link, and I can share that in my Teams or Slack or Google Chat, whatever we're using, which is a really nice feature. It just makes it easier to get up and running with a quick meeting, one that isn't scheduled beforehand. Hopefully you found this useful. If you'd like some more help and support in this area, please get in touch as part of the EdTech Demonstrator Program, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.